In front of me is Honorpad 9, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. When you're ready, click on Google. Now select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, to delete any of those passwords, click on the chosen one and enter your current login method. Then hit the delete button next to the edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!